Live from the wok, Jungle Edition, Yangzhou Fried Rice. Ingredients in the description. Sizzle rating 3. Wok and roll, Banana Patrol. Wok hot, oil in, eggs in, soft scramble, then we move fast. Garlic in, shrimp or ham pieces in, quick stir, keep it lively. Rice goes in, fluff the grains, quick mix till steamy. Peas, carrot, salt, pepper, mix till light. Sizzle rating 3. Spring onion in, 2 quick tosses. Smells like street magic. Yangzhou Fried Rice, done. Wok and roll, Banana Patrol.
Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.